Yeah, this is the first step to make when you receive the machine. So first of all, you take off the nylon which we use in practice covering the machine. Yeah, and this is the computer. This is the monitor. And this is the stand to hold the scan head and the computer. And first of all, yeah, this is where the stand has to be. And this is the cable wires for the, yeah, this one is for the power, and this one is for the foot switch. Yeah, this is method for learning how to mark. Yeah, these are the and this is the nuts. And one, yeah, how to tight. This is the steps you have to take. Yeah, this is the monitor in a safe carton with a floater covered very well. Yeah, this is the monitor. This is for the boat. The handle here. The small one. Yeah, it has to be 1, 2, the third. The third one. is okay now. And the computer, this is the connect to the monitor. Power. Yeah, this is the power cable, and the power cable goes here. Yeah, it has nut. It has a connection port, so you must follow the direction. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay now. And this is the foot switch. Yeah, foot switch. The foot switch goes here. Yeah. And secondly, this one here is the terminal, which is very, very important. So, and terminal is, yeah, you only connect wire here and you put on the ground. Yeah, you just connect wire here, then you put on the ground for safety of the machine.
The voltage 220.
Yeah, this must be 220 voltage. Yeah, these are the footboards for stand.